The video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called Remain Dark. Remain Dark. This is the extension that is promoted by its developers as some helpful tool that can let you surf the web and use the sites in the dark mode. But in reality, this particular extension, called Remain Dark, also functions as a typical browser hijacker. It may change a lot of crucial browser settings without the customer's permission. So also, when you start submitting some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some other fake search engine. Soon you may get some strange pop-up, and eventually the results would be delivered by websearches.club. So obviously this extension works as a typical browser hijacker that doesn't let you to surf the web easily without getting a lot of redirections. I recommend you to remove this extension immediately from your Google Chrome. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. You'll be in this area. So if you find this Remain Dark extension, simply disable and remove the extension. And once again, be careful, do not trust any fake browser update alerts that might promote such extensions. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the application, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.